The 2026 Honda T360 makes a bold comeback, blending its iconic 1963 design with modern technology and efficiency. Honda's first mass-produced truck has been reimagined for today's needs, offering a unique mix of nostalgia, practicality, and advanced features, perfect for urban drivers and light-duty tasks. The exterior design pays homage to its predecessor with a retro-inspired boxy shape, circular LED headlights, and a simple horizontal grille. Modern elements, such as sharp body lines, flush door handles, and 14-inch alloy wheels, bring it into the 21st century. Honda offers a vibrant palette of two-tone color options, giving this K-truck a fun and stylish personality. Under the hood, the 2026 T360 is powered by a 660 cubic centimeters turbocharged 3-cylinder engine delivering 63 horsepower, adhering to K-car regulations. Honda also offers a fully electric version featuring a 20 kilowatt-hour battery, producing 90 horsepower and offering a range of up to 125 miles, 200 kilometers, per charge. Both variants come with a CVT transmission and optional all-wheel drive, ensuring versatility in various driving conditions. Inside, the T360 combines functionality with modern comforts. A 7-inch digital instrument cluster and a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard. The cabin is designed for utility, with foldable seats, multiple storage compartments, and durable materials. Despite its compact size, the T360 offers an impressive 350 kilograms payload capacity, making it suitable for small businesses and personal use. Safety features include Honda Sensing, which provides adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation braking, lane keeping assist, and a rear-view camera. The 2026 Honda T360 is set to launch in early 2026, with a starting price of $12,000 for the gasoline model and $16,000 for the electric version. This modernized K-truck is a perfect blend of retro charm, practicality, and innovation, tailored for today's world.